Hello, this is H2O Club. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting experiment. We are going to make a keychain with polystyrene film. Polystyrene film, permanent markers, oven, keychain, aluminum foil, punch, pinch, 2 pieces of wood board, and gloves. Procedures are as listed below. 1. Draw pictures on polystyrene film. 2. Make a separate hole to attach the keychain by using the punch. 3. Cover the plate of the oven with the aluminum foil. 4. Set the temperature with 170 Celsius degree. 5. Put the polystyrene film on the flat of the oven. 6. Observe the shrinking and wait until the film shrinks. 7. Take out the PS film by using the pinch and put on the wood board. 8. Press the heated PS film, attach the keychain after the PS film cooled. So, what's the mechanism behind this amazing experiment? PS Film's component, polystyrene, is a versatile plastic used to produce a lot of products such as food packaging, appliances, electronics, automobile parts, toys, gardening pots, appliance insulation, lightweight protective packaging, surfboards, roadway and road bank stabilization. Styrene, a building block chemical, is used in the manufacture of many products. As a thermoplastic polymer, polystyrene is in a solid state at room temperature, but flows if heated above about 100 degrees Celsius. Its glass transition temperature. It becomes rigid again cooled, so it can be cast into a mold. Polystyrene is a thermoplastic with stretched shape, but when the polystyrene is heated, it remembers its original unstretched configuration and shrinks back.